dear learners, welcome to today's video. I'm Faculty of English at SRN International School, Jaipur. In today's video, we are going to learn the writing section, article writing. So the objectives would be to develop rational thinking, expressing opinions and facts, analyzing and finding pros and cons of a situation, expressing arguments in the form of article, developing writing skills, using a variety of accurate sentences, writing an article for a newspaper or for a school magazine, expressing concern, opinion, views on various issues like social, political, economic, health hazards, law and order, or on public interest. So let's start. So firstly, what is article? Article is a piece of writing through which one can express one's concern, opinion, perspective or views on a wide range of issues. So in article writing, you are collecting information, analyzing, sequencing. In writing involves a clarity of thought and command over language, your sentence structure, the kind of phrases and idioms you use. It should be within 3 to 4 paragraphs. So the total weightage is 5 marks, which includes your format, content and expression. For format, it is 1 mark. For content, it is 2 marks. And for expression, again, it is 2 marks. So total is 5 marks. Here you would be tested on the grammatical accuracy, appropriate words and spellings, coherence and relevance of ideas and style. The word limit is 100 to 150 words. So this is the format and layout of article writing. First, you have to write the heading. Your heading should be very catchy, which arouses the interest of the reader. It could be a quote, it could be an anecdote, any fact, followed by the byline where you mention the name of the writer, then followed by the opening note, the introductory paragraph. Then the next paragraph is on causes and impact, the solution, and no signature at the end or any date is required. So here you can see that heading, then the byline and any relevant quote, which I've already told you. So please make sure that you segregate your paragraphs neatly and you give a proper space. So what is heading? In heading you should be, very particular about mentioning the heading because it has to be very catchy and not more than 5 to 6 words. You can be as creative as you want with this, but ensure that you do not devote much time on it in the exam. Byline, as I've already told you, it refers to the name of the person writing the article. It is generally given in the question. If not, then do not write your personal details. Kindly note that you are not supposed to mention any of your personal details while attempting the answers in the exam. The body is the main part of your writing piece. It generally consists of 3 to 4 paragraphs. So let's understand the strategies of writing an article. So paragraph 1, children, it is always prescribed that you begin with a short introduction of the topic, its meaning to be precise, briefly tell what the article is about, giving some quotations or starting facts or to arouse the interest of the readers. Paragraph 2 is either it can be in 1 or 2 paragraphs. You're required to do a complete analysis of the subject matter in the question. It may include further types, like in how many forms does the problem exist, or you're required to mention the various possible types if in case it exists. So the current scenario, then if it is the current scenario, then you need to explain the current situation, the problems, and whether after any corrective actions betterment in the situation has been observed or not. It may include advantages or disadvantages depending upon the topic in the question. In cause and effect relationship, develop the cause and effect relationship by supporting it with facts or data, because then it becomes relevant. You may also write the consequences or any other relevant or related information, any data. In paragraph 4, the conclusion, the last paragraph, it is the concluding paragraph. It is important to conclude what you have stated there, never leave an article open-ended. Now, it is to be remembered that wherever you elaborate a problem, you always have to mention the steps being taken to improve the situation and suggest how solutions are to be taken. Predictions may be included. You may add some glitter to your art piece with some quotes also. So in writing an article, what is necessary? First thing is collecting information, analyzing, sequencing, and writing involves children clarity of the thought and command over the language. So here you have to take care of the sentence structure and the correct use of phrases and idioms, the sense of humor, a rational mind, etc. So here is one sample. It states the present day youth are greatly stressed due to cutthroat competition and consumerist culture. Write an article in 150 words on the causes of the stress on the modern generation, suggesting suitable solutions. Now here I'm giving you a sample. So the first heading could be causes of stress on the modern generation, followed by the byline. Now look at the first paragraph carefully. It states, the main cause of stress on the modern generation is the cutthroat competition and consumerist culture prevalent in our society. This always puts them under pressure of efficiency and productivity. So here you are just introducing the topic, the theme. Moving on to the next paragraph, the modern environment is highly competitive and calls for relentless efforts on the part of each youngster. To achieve the goals, they have to devote all their time and capacity without rest. So they have no time to care even for their own self. So this is the problem which you have stated. They have no time for relaxing or to pursue something of their own interest. Sounds like a luxury to them. Now the effects of this stress on the youth are also visible in their physical being, whereby they have increased pulses and a lot of tension in their muscles. As per a recent survey by, now here you are going to mention a data to make your article look authentic. Now next paragraph would be, with increased professionalism and specialization, there seems no practical and suitable solution for this stress due to the competition. In this age of consumerism, it is not surprising that the youth of today are also constantly weighing to outdo each other in acquiring material things. Now, talking about the causes of stress on the modern generation and coming to the last concluding paragraph, it would be, but now it is high time for each one of us to sit back in quiet introspection to contemplate where we are actually heading to in this rat race. Our health and well-being will have to be our primary concern, for, as they say, a healthy mind lies in a healthy body. So we have also mentioned a quote here. Let us stop living like robots. We are humans and have to behave likewise and not like machines. Otherwise, future of mankind may be at stake. So this is how wonderfully the article has been ended. I hope you liked it. Check the format, check the sentence structure, check the content which has been given here. Now coming to one assignment question for you. So I would urge you to kindly attempt this assignment question and check where you made a mistake. Check your spellings, your grammar, your coherence, your relevancy, and do recheck and do study, do brainstorm before you start writing. So the question is, India is a land of diversity. One way in which it makes us feel proud of it is the number of festivals we enjoy. Write an article in 150 to 200 words on festivals of India. You are Karuna Karan. So the total weightage would be 5 marks. For the format, content and expression, 1 plus 2 plus 2, which is equals to 5 marks, and word limit is 100 to 150 words. So I hope you enjoyed the session. Keep learning, keep growing, keep shining. Take care. Bye-bye.